So you sure you play in this golf day?
Of course.
So can you just park for me here, please? Just here.
I've been interrogated in my life like this because of a golf thing.
Just here. That's fine, that's fine.
Loopje.
Mr. Loopje, I'll tell you what I've got a problem with. First of all, I think you're taking a chance to come and play in a free round of golf because you don't have that sticker of the golf day.
Why didn't they give it to us?
You probably know a friend and now you come for a free round of golf.
No, it's not that.
Is it the official organizer that invited you? Yeah, but the friend can send you that, sir.
Yeah.
Do you know the short term, what is the short
Yeah,
term?
Kobe Base is the owner.
You know him personally?
Personally, must I phone him? He's a client of mine.
Oh, he's a client of yours?
Yes.
Yeah, but was it him or a friend who invited you?
Yes, a full ball.
Yeah, you see again, sir. Normally
part of
people
the
like
ball.
yourself come and win toasters. And because you want a free toaster, you come and play in a golf day. Is Mr. Kobe invited you personally?
No.
You see, that's a problem. Because he sent invitations personally to all the guests. So you're not a personal friend of him.
So Johan Hatting buys a full ball. So I play in Johan Hatting's full ball.
No. So I think you must go back to the gate and just make sure, because they will cut you out quickly. Is jy Afrikaans, meneer?
Ek is Afrikaans.
Ja, so ek wil dit nou nie moeilik maak vir jou nie.
Nee, ek kan nie glo ek het sulke kak in my lewe nog nie gesien nie.
Maar die ding is meer mense vat kansse.
Ja,
Jy
maar ek is
verstaan?
nie om kansse te vat nie. Ek gaan Kobe nou bel. Dis fucked up, man.
Maar jy kan ons toaster bekostig. Koop dinge as
Ek
jy
het fucking 100.
Maar jy sien, koop jy nou as jy in wil hê. Maar nou nie kom om 'n golfdag te speel om 'n toaster te wen nie. Mevrou het 100 toasters. Ek stem saam, mevrou. Ek verstaan nie.
Ek stop altyd hier agter die ou gee my nou kak security, ek kan nie inkom nie want ek jy het my nie self genooi nie. Ek speel in Johan Hatting se vuurbal.
Ken Kobe jou persoonlik? Hy ken jou. Ja. En is dit jou voertuig,
My
meneer?
voertuig.
En jy het 'n lisensie vir die voertuig?
Ja. Hierso hier agter, waar ons altyd stop. Jy weet waar ons almal agter stop. So. Alraai.
Is dit Kobe self wat met jou mee gepraat het?
Ja,
Jy maak nie of jy met Kobe, want mense doen dit ook, meneer. Ek is meneer, my naam is JD Heinz en daar's my hidden camera. Jy's op my fracture. Right, doe my guns,
Wat
brother.
sê my vrou? Wat sê my vrou? Moenie los dit nou net. So.
Jy wil nie luister vir jou vrou nie, né? Doe my 'n groot guns. Kyk in daai lens en sê JD Pranks, jy het my.
JD Pranks, jy het my jou bliksem.
En Kobe jou moer.
Kobe jou moer.